Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you in my kitchen, and in today's video I will show you how to make the easiest and super affordable homemade yogurt. Add to a bowl 4 cups of warm milk, a half a cup of plain yogurt, and don't worry, I will have all the ingredients listed on the description box. Mix pretty well, cover, and let this milk sit for 24 hours. 24 hours pass by, and here's what the milk is supposed to look like. As you can see, the milk and the yogurt fermented, and that's exactly what you want. This recipe is budget friendly, and if you and your family like to eat yogurt like we do here, you can save a little bit of money. I am making strawberry yogurt today, but you can make any flavor you like. You can be very creative with this recipe. You also need a pack of gelatin. I am using this Starburst all pink flavor. Add to the gelatin 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix. Now dissolve the gelatin and sugar with a half a cup of hot water. Now guys, in today's video we're going to play a little game. Along this video somewhere I hid a M, yes, the letter M. If you find the letter M, put on the comments down below where it is, and the winner will get to pick my next recipe. So keep an eye out for the M. Okay guys, right here I was not liking the color of the Starburst gelatin, so I just went ahead and I add just a regular strawberry gelatin to the mix, and as you can see it gave me a nice red color. Now let's go over to the blender. Add your fermented milk and yogurt. The gelatin mix. And blend for 10 minutes, stopping at the 5-minute mark just so you don't burn your blender up. Now transfer to a container and let it cool for about 6 hours. Right about now, it's time for you to click on that like button, and if you're new to cooking, clean, and everything between, and you like what you see so far, don't hesitate, subscribe so you don't miss anything from my channel. After 6 hours, remove the yogurt from the fridge and transfer to the blender. And as you can see, the gelatin kind of separated a little bit. That's why you have to blend it again. You only need to blend for about 5 minutes this time. Transfer back to your container and let it cool for about 2 hours. 2 hours pass by and we're going to blend for the third and last time. Now check the consistency of your yogurt, and if you like a little more loose, just add about a cup of milk. But we like yogurt here to make parfaits, so that's why mine is a little more solid. I then transfer my yogurt to a half a gallon glass jar, and I also made a little bit of yogurt a little loose, so if we want to drink the yogurt, we have that also. So this recipe is all about making what you like. And here it is, easy to make, fantastic tasting, and budget-friendly yogurt. I serve this yogurt with strawberries. You can serve with any fruit you like. I also put a little bit of granola and some blackberries, and it was so delicious. I went for seconds. And why buy if you can make your own? Go ahead, try it out. Let me know what you think of this recipe. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I see you on the next recipe. Ciao!